Woo! Good job! Let's do it again. Okay, Leah is 8 weeks old and she is a little rolling machine. Can you roll again, honey? You can do it. Oh, honey. So cute and sad. Do you want to roll some more? There we go. You can do it. Come on. Okay, Daddy's got you. Such a cute little girl.